out with Pickpocket London, and he recognized this pickpocket right away. So we started watching him, waiting for the right moment.
Pickpockets! Hey, no! Pickpockets! Stop! 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 You are detained! No! You are detained for attempt of theft, okay? No, stay here! Okay! You're not gonna run away! Stay here!
You're about to get locked up, they won't let you out. Police, police, police!
Over to your front, over to your front.
Quite a crowd, guys.